Hey everybody, welcome to Studio 64. My name's David. I've been searching the interzones for more science, space and tech news to share with you. And I came across this at the New York Post. Yes, Boston Dynamics releases video of Atlas robot that now needs zero help from humans to perform tasks. This should be very, very interesting indeed. Yes, robotics company Boston Dynamics has released a new video of its humanoid robot Atlas, now performing tasks with zero human intervention. That's pretty impressive. Now, in the video released by the Futuristic Lab, the robot could be seen performing rote physical tasks with ease and without any help from people guiding it. That's actually pretty cool. We seem to be getting better and better at it. It's absolutely amazing. And as usual, I'll leave the link to the main article below the video, so you can pop in, check out the embedded link, go for a bit of a deeper dive if you want beyond the main article. It does make for an interesting read. I love this picture here. The Atlas humanoid robot from Boston Dynamics hard at work demonstrating the breadth of its new capabilities. Absolutely incredible. And we're going to check out a little video on this too in a moment, and you'll be able to see the robot in action. Yes, Atlas, a bit of Atlas action today, yes. The bag of bolts moves engine covers in between supply containers and while navigating a mobile sequence dolly, simulating what it would be like to work in a factory, according to the video's caption. Now, the company emphasized that the humanoid is fully autonomous, using machine learning vision model to adapt to changing conditions. That's really interesting, isn't it? Yes, and the video includes shots of what Atlas sees while it's performing its task, revealing a somewhat fisheye field of vision that includes highlighted recognition of the objects it is handling. Now, why I find this interesting is that every bit of science fiction we've ever seen, every robot... Okay, that's a bit of a fisheye image on the left there, but it's definitely a hell of a lot clearer than most sci-fi. It's either infrared or it's pixelated or something. That's actually pretty cool. I think that's quite amazing. Yes, here we go. Atlas was able to complete the rote tasks without human intervention, working from a fully electric motor. Absolutely amazing. So we'll check the video out, and it's a real eye-opener. It's amazing how far they've come so quickly, and then we'll carry on the conversation when we come out the other side. Well, that was absolutely amazing, because every time I see them, it sort of, looks artificial and a bit disjointed. This wasn't too bad. It's getting closer. Not quite there yet, but I love the way it can go around obstacles and things. I think that's pretty cool. There's no prescribed or teleoperated movements. All motions are generated autonomously online. The robot is able to detect and react to changes in the environment, like engineers from Boston Dynamics explained. Earlier this month, Boston Dynamics introduced the world to Atlas, whose head is vaguely reminiscent of the Pixar lamp. Oh yeah, I can see that. You think it would have been reminiscent of the map of the world where it's like a globe of the world, and its neck would be a little guy holding it up. That would be more appropriate, I think. Yes, now Atlas is meant for commercial use and designed to tackle real-world applications, according to Boston Dynamics. In the video, the wired worker demonstrates that he can function entirely when left to its own devices after being presented merely with a list of bin locations. Now, this new version of the Atlas is now also fully electric, allowing for a broader range of motion than previous generations of the humanoids, the company said on their site. Yeah, so this all-electric model is a departure from previous versions that operated using hydraulics. Absolutely incredible. Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it? They'll be able to do things that human beings are incapable of doing, particularly toxic environments. That would be very good for rescue purposes. Very interesting. Now, social media called out Atlas for being creepy, notably in a video released on X. The robot stands up by planting its feet behind its head and stands up and inverts its body while reorienting the spinal column. This new revelation of progress comes after Elon Musk's Tesla unveiled the new Optimus humanoid robot. At the unveiling of the ceremony earlier this month, Optimus models were pulling pints and mingling with guests in shockingly conversational tones, due in part because the bots were being controlled remotely by humans. Yes, the Post reported that experts say it will take a decade before the robots will be released and functioning in society. Yeah, very interesting. This is a time to take stock and take note, I think. You know, I mean, 10 years isn't a long time in the world, but it's a long time in the course of technology, and I can't wait to see what happens in the next decade. Absolutely incredible. All right, well, my name is David. Thanks for joining me for another Studio 64 Science, Space and Tech News update. I shall see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe. Greatly appreciate. If you're up for it, drop a comment down below the video. I'd love to hear what you think. All right, take care. And as I always say, if you can't be good at it. And as I also always say,
my nipples are very sensitive.